How to use Google Earth in Android. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily use Google Earth on Android. So even if you are using iPhone, it's the same process. So first open up your Google Earth application just like this, and once you're inside here, just make sure to log into your account. As you can see, I've already logged into my account, and just click on, once you're inside this screen, just click on this Explore Earth, and basically you can rotate the Earth to view the particular location such as your country. So let's say I want to visit this place. It's called Saudi Arabia, so this is the country. So let's say I want to visit Riyadh, so I'll simply come over to and zoom it to that particular place just like this. So if I were to view it as an first person mode, I would simply have to drag and drop this person icon over here and to this particular street just like this. And as you can see, the street has some data over here, and I can easily view it on a 360 mode by simply rotating my phone camera just like this, or I can even move it using my finger just like this. And once you are satisfied, you can simply come over or click on back to exit the view, exit the street view, and you can similarly do the same for every single place that you want to visit from Google Earth. You can also choose the different types of view. You can basically click on this top right corner icon, which is like a book icon. You can simply tap on this, and based on your details, what type of details you want, like a clean or exploration or everything, where you have all of the labels, places, roads mentioned over here, you can simply choose between everything. You can also show the 3D coverage and enable 3D buildings so that you can view it as in 3D buildings as well. So that is it for today guys. That was a quick tutorial on how you can easily explore or use Google Earth on both mobile or iPhone. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.